This video is for those of you who have created a module that you would like to include in your courses again and again, say each week, to have students do a specific task. So you will start by choosing the course that you have created the module in. You can open your modules, and I'm going to use week 5 advisory as an example. The first step would be to copy this module to another course. So I am going to begin typing my other course that I'm going to include here is called Library Media Technology, and I'm going to choose that course and copy it. It's that simple. It tells me that it's copied. So if I go back to my dashboard and choose the Library Media Technology course, I can scroll down, and now you can see that at the bottom it has placed this activity or this module. In order to follow our standardization, you would want to drag this to the top so that students accessed it as their first module. And then within this, you can change the activities, change any of the requirements for it, and you can also duplicate it so that you can create it for a separate week. So I might duplicate this and now change it. Here's my copy, and I can now edit this and change it to week 6. And that way week 5 will stay there. And I would then just change the dates and things, update it, and then for week 6 I would just drag this here. So for each course you can then copy that module to the course, and then within the course you can duplicate that module so that each week you can update the activity for that week. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.